Working on the 442. I just ground another pile of undercoating off of it. But that's not what this mini video is about. This mini video is about the replacement of this rear brake line. I mean, I guess this is probably fine, but there's not much slack there. And this distance can expand a little bit like it's covered to catch error. So I tried a couple other lines and they were actually shorter than this one even. And I got this aftermarket job. And I'm thinking this would be plenty of slack. Hopefully not too much. So I'm gonna take this guy out and see if we can get that line fit. I had these on there just to keep the dirt out of the system. Looks like this new one has a slot in there for this clip. And then it actually has a nut on it so you can hold it while you tighten another line. So I'm gonna get that started first before I do this end of it. That nut's got some rounded edges on it. Is it gonna seat or what? There it goes, right at the end. It's out of thread. Bit of a struggle, but I got her on there. That ain't going nowhere. I'd actually loosen these up to get that line started. So I'm kind of thinking this line can be positioned either way, like this or like this. I think I'd rather have it like this, so it's not like hitting the tank or anything like that. So we're gonna see if that works. I think I'm gonna machine a bushing for this. This isn't loose. In fact, I think I'm gonna machine that bushing right now. It's gonna be paper thin. Why didn't they make this the right size? There it is. The wall thickness is about 50 thousandths. It shouldn't be thicker than that, but of course it is. I'm gonna have to face some of it off. Yeah, I happened to have a piece of stock that was the exact OD. I'm gonna take it down to 1/2 inch. Here it is. The final answer right there. There, look at that. It's not even tight and sized perfectly. I don't know what I did without a lathe before I got one and figured out how to use it. I mean, that's a nice product right there. In case you're wondering, that part was from Global West right there. Now the hole in this thing was like downsized on one end, but bigger on the other. We'll see how that brake line works, and I'll keep you posted if I have to make any changes. Thanks for watching.